अपनी फिटनेस के लिए एक छोटा सा स्टेप सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
Hi guys, welcome to day 2 of 100 abs challenge. आज हमारे साथ है Anchal. Anchal, how are you? Are you excited?
Very.
Awesome. तो आज हम करने वाले हैं बहुत ही simple move, which is okay. Are you a Marvel fan?
Yes.
I thought you were a DC fan, but ठीक है, Marvel fan भी हो तो कर पाओगे, because ये है Superman fly. Okay, Superman, Superwoman, fly. Okay, very simple move. You have to lie down, flat on your stomach. Alright, and you see how Superman flies like this. Alright, and you do the fly. You move your hands like this, keeping your leg up, and you count 100. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Awesome. Let's get onto the mat. And you count for yourself. Remember, if you want to take a break, but you write it down on this board, alright? And you have to beat that score when you do it next time. Alright, let's start. Superman fly. Count for yourself. Oops. Oh, okay, no problem. We need to coordinate. Awesome. Just a little bit up. Awesome. Keep breathing. When you go out, breathe out. When you go up, breathe in. Alright, keep going. 100 abs challenge for 30 days. We do this every single day, and we will get there to that dream body. Alright, keep going. Where are you?
18.
Awesome. Let me join you in this 100 abs challenge doing Superman move. Go slow and control. Remember guys, go slow and control. If you feel that your form is dropping, don't hesitate to take a break. आप break ले सकते हैं. Just little bit up, Anchal. Just little bit up. When you come up, breathe out. Alright. Here in this move, we are working on the core and the back. Alright, the whole back is working. You feel real good stretch, real good, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा back में. You are strengthening your back muscles and your shoulders are also working. This is a very good move. And of course, remember, when you go down onto the stomach, keep it tight. Always keep it tight. Alright? Go slow and control. Wow, awesome. Keep going. Oh, she's taking a break. Awesome. No problem. You can take as many breaks as possible. But remember, not good. Stay there. What is happening? Come on. Push.
Arms are falling apart.
No problem. Go slow and control. Remember, century marni hai. Century. Come on, Ashton. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Go slow and control. Push. Come on, push. Awesome. I love this. Awesome. You don't have to give up. Alright, that's the most important part. You baby steps. You crawl. But no problem. You don't stop. Alright, you can walk, you can crawl. Whatever you do, go baby steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No problem. But you don't have to stop till 100. You get down and get up again and do that move. Okay? I'm not gonna stop. I'm keep going. Come on, Anchal. Let's do this. Oh, she's doing pretty well. I like her tactic. She is 10 plus 5 plus 50. That means you're just 15 away. Don't take a break now. Let's reach 100 without taking a break. Awesome. Come on. I think 10 more to go. Chest up. Awesome. Come on. Awesome guys. Awesome. Look at this. I love this intensity. Done. पहुंच गए. We reached to 100 by breaking down this goal into several parts, and we reached there. And this is what I love about this challenge. You don't give up till you reach that 100. Have you ever thought you could do 100 when you
Never.
started?
Never.
And you did it now. Awesome. I love this intensity. We will get there. Every single move we do with this in this 100 abs challenge is gonna be challenging, but we will get there when we do it consistently. Keep doing this exercise with us, and I will see you soon with the next move. Bye. Hey guys, अगर आपको आज का चैलेंज पसंद आया हो और अगर आपने ये चैलेंज किया है तो हमें कमेंट में लिख के बताएं कि आपने कब कब ब्रेक लिया है या आपने क्या प्रोग्रेस की है, वो हमारे साथ शेयर करें.